Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see 40 most important and frequently asked MCQs of unit number 1 of which is computer system and computer language of your course code orientation to computing 1. Guys, in this video, we will see 40 important questions of unit number 1 only. I will make the videos of all the units and in which we will discuss I guess 40 important questions from each unit. All these questions which I will discuss further and which I will discuss in this video are very important. If you guys just prepare these MCQs now, then it is more than enough for your interim examination. So guys, focus on all these MCQs. Do not miss any one of the questions. If you miss one question means you are decrementing your marks by one. So do not miss any one questions and just focus on all the MCQs, guys. So without wasting any time, let's proceed with the first questions. But before starting with the first question, I will request you to subscribe the channel for more exam ready content, because I make the video for every year students in which you will see the most important MCQs and most important concepts related to your examinations. So just do subscribe the channel for the better score. Okay. So here the first question from the first unit is, what is the basic structure of computer? Option is option A, CPU, GPU or RAM. Option B is input device, output device and storage device. C option is operating system, software, hardware, and last option is peripherals, USB or Bluetooth. Options are confusing, but the correct option of this question is option number B, which is input device, output device and storage device are the basic structure of a computer. Okay, you people might have confused in these options. Okay, do not confuse. If you know the answer, just comment your answer. Okay, next question. Which memory is volatile and used for temporary storage? Option is RAM, ROM, SSD and flash drive. Correct option is option number A, which is RAM. RAM is a volatile memory. Next question. What does BIOS stand for? Option A, basic input output system. Option B, basic integrated operating system. Option C is binary input output system, and last option is base input output system. Correct option is option A, which is basic input output system. Next question. What is the function of a GPU? Option is temporary storage, graphics processing, long-term processing and central processing. As the name suggests, correct option is option B, which is graphic processing. Next question. How is SSD different from HDD? Option is SSD is faster and uses magnetic storage. Option B, SSD is slower and uses magnetic storage. Option C is SSD is faster and uses flash memory. And last option is SSD is slower and uses optical storage. Correct option is option C, which is SSD is faster and uses flash memory. Next question. What does RAID stand for? Option A is Random Access Integrated Drive. Option B, redundant array of independent disks. Option C, remote access internal disk. And last option is rapid applications of integrated data. Correct option is option B, redundant array of independent disk is the full form of RAID. Next question, which is the 7th number question. How is Bluetooth different from NFC? Option is Bluetooth has shorter range than NFC. This is not correct. Option B is NFC has shorter range than Bluetooth. Option C, Bluetooth is wired, NFC is wireless. Option D is Bluetooth and NFC have similar ranges. Correct option is option B, which is NFC has shorter range than Bluetooth. Next question. Guys, do not miss any questions. Keep patience and see every question. Every question is important, and if you guys do these questions, then no need to study any PPTs and any books for this course code. Just focus on this question. I have covered every topic in these MCQs only. At the number question is, what is the purpose of HDMI? Basically, it is asking the full form of HDMI, which is the Hyperlink Data Management Interface or Human Machine Display Interface, High Definition Multimedia Interface or High Speed Data Interface. Correct option is option B, which is High Definition Multimedia Interface. Next question. How many threads can a dual-core processor handle simultaneously? Option A is 1, 2, 3 or 4. Correct option is option B, which is 2. 2 threads can a dual-core processor handle simultaneously. Next question. What is the role of a compiler in a programming? Now we are seeing the questions related to your programming languages. Option A is convert source code to machine code. Option B, execute the program. Option C is edits the source code. And last option is interprets the program in real time. Correct option is option A, which is convert source code to machine code. Compiler just convert source code to machine code. Next question. Which language does a computer directly understand? Option is high-level language, assembly language, machine language or a source code language. Correct option is option C, which is machine language. Does a computer directly understand? Next question. Which language is specific to a particular CPU architecture? Option is high-level language, assembly language, machine language or scripting language. Correct option is option B, which is assembly language. Next question. What is the first step in the development of a program? Option is debugging, coding, planning, testing. Guys, the correct option of this question is not coding. Correct option is planning only. You people might get confused that the coding is the first step in the development of a program, but you will see, you will study the one course code you will study in second semester with the software engineering, in which you will study the software development life cycle, in which you will see that planning is the first step in the development of a program. Although you have to study basics of that software engineering in your orientation to computing one, that's why I have covered these questions in this course code too. Okay guys, next question we will see. Next question is, what does an interpreter do? Option A is translate source code to machine code. Option B, execute the program line by line. Option C, converts high-level language to low-level language. Option D is optimize the code for performance. Correct option of this question is option number B, which is executes the program line by line. Next question. What is the purpose of an assembler? Option is translate high-level language to machine code. Option B, converts machine code to assembly language. Option C is converts assembly language to machine code. And last option is executes the program. Correct option is option C, which is converts assembly language to machine code. Next question. Which of the following is a high-level language? Is it assembly, C, machine or a binary? Correct option is option number C, which is machine. Machine language is a high-level programming language. Next question. What is the final stage in the development of a program? Again, the question related to software development life cycle. Option is coding, planning, debugging or testing. Correct option is option number D, which is testing. Testing is the correct option for this question. Testing is the final stage in the development of a program. After coding, the testing is the next step, and this is the final step also. Next question. What is the purpose of a linker in a programming? Option A is convert source code to machine code. Option B combines multiple objects file into executable program. Option C executes the program, and last option is interprets the program in real time. Correct option is option B, which is combines multiple object file into executable program. Next question. Which language is more human readable among the following? Is it a machine language, assembly language, high level language or a binary language? Correct option is option C, which is high level language. Next question. What is the primary function of a compiler? Option is executes the program. Option B translates source code to machine code. Option C edits the source code. Last option is interprets the program in real time. Correct option is option B translates source code to machine code. This is the function of compiler only. Next question. I have covered almost half of the question. Half of the questions we have covered. Now 20 questions remaining. Though all these 20 questions are still important, do not miss any one of the questions. And guys, if you are liking watching the videos, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please hit the like button and share these videos in every group, guys, in your class group too. 21st number question. Which of the following is a secondary storage device? Is it RAM, SSD, CPU or monitor? Correct option is option B, which is SSD. SSD is the secondary storage device. Next question. What does ROM stand for in computer memory? Although it's a very simple question, but it's still important. This question can be asked in your exam. So do not take any questions lightly. If you know the answer, just comment below your answer and revise your concept line by line. Option is read-only memory, random output memory, rapid operation memory or remote offline memory. Correct option is option A, which is read-only memory is the full form of ROM. Next question. How does a hybrid drive differ from a traditional HDD? Option is hybrid drives have a higher capacity. Option B hybrid drives use a combination of SSD and HDD technologies. Option C hybrid drives are slower than traditional HDDs. Option D is hybrid drives are more expensive. Correct option is option B. Hybrid drives use a combination of SSD and HDD technologies. Next question. What is the purpose of NFC? Near field communications. Full form of NFC can also be asked in your exam. So full form of NFC is near field communication. Show what is the purpose of NFC. Option is high speed data transfer. Option B wireless communication over short distance. Option C display resolution enhancement. And last option is audio output optimization. Correct option of this question is option number B, which is wireless communication over short distance. Next question. How is USB different from SATA, which is SATA? Option A is USB is faster than SATA. Option B, USB is primarily used for power supply. Option C, SATA is a wireless interface. And option D, SATA is used for connecting external device. Correct option is option B, which is USB is primarily used for power supply. Next question. What is the purpose of a processor's cache memory? Option is long-term storage. Option B temporary storage of frequently used data. Option C display optimization. Last option is wireless communication. Guys, the purpose of cache memory is temporary storage and frequently used data. And it's a very important memory. It's actually enhanced the performance of your system. Next question. Which RAD label provides both stripping and mirroring? Option is RAD 0, RAD 1, RAD 5 or RAD 10. Correct option is RAD 10. RAD level 10 provides both stripping and mirroring. Next question. What is the main function of a RAM in computer system? Option is long-term storage. Option B temporary storage for the operating system. Option C permanent data storage. And last option is display processing. As you guys know, it's a very simple question. Option B is correct only. Temporary storage for the operating system is the function of RAM in the computer system. Next question. Which interface is commonly used to connect external GPUs to a computer? Option is USB, HDMI, Thunderbolt or SATA. Correct option is option C, Thunderbolt. Next question. What does GPU stand for? Option is graphics processing unit. Option B is general processing unit. Option C is general purpose unit, and last option is graphics performance unit. Correct option is option A, graphics processing unit. Full form of GPU is graphics processing unit and full form of CPU is central processing unit. Okay, next question. Now the 10 questions are remaining, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed the channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel for more exam ready content. I always make the videos before your examinations. Whether you are in a first year, second year, third year, or fourth year, I always make the videos for your exam. And it will be really helpful in your exam if you guys do not miss any one of the question. If you guys miss one question, means you are decrementing your marks by one. Do not miss any questions. 31st question is, which high level language is known for its portability across different platforms? Option is C, Python, Assembly or Java. Correct option is Java. Next question, in which language is the source code written by a programmer? So option is assembly language, machine language, high level language or a binary language. Correct option is option number C, which is high level language. We actually write code in a high level language. You might have studied the Python in the same, and actually Python is a high level language. 33 number question, what is the purpose of an operating system? Option is executing program is the purpose, managing hardware resources, compiling code or writing algorithm. Correct option is option B, managing hardware resources is the purpose of an operating system. Next question, which programming language is commonly used for web development? It's a very simple question. You might have studied the HTML, and HTML is the only language which is commonly used for web development. So the option C is correct. Next question, what is the role of an operating system in computer peripherals? Option is managing input-output device. Option B, writing code for peripherals. Option C, executing programs. Option D is debugging codes. As in the questions, mention is the peripheral, computer peripheral. So the correct option is option number A only, which is managing input-output device. Next question, what is the purpose of a dynamic RAM? Actually, there is two types of RAM, which is a dynamic RAM or a static RAM. Cache memory is actually a static RAM, but here the question is about what is the purpose of dynamic RAM. Option is long-term storage. Option B, fast and temporary storage. Option C, permanent data storage, and last option is wireless communication. Correct option is option number B, which is fast and temporary storage. Next question, which programming language is known for its low-level system programming capabilities? Option is Java, Python, C or JavaScript. So actually C is the low level system programming capabilities language. So C is the correct option. Next question, what is the primary function of an assembler? I might have covered these questions previously, but still, just if you know the answer, comment below your answer. Correct option of this question is option number A, which is translate source code to machine code is the function of assembler. Next question, which type of memory retains its content even when the power is turned off? Very simple question. Question is RAM, ROM, flash memory, cache memory. If you guys already know that RAM is a temporary storage device, so the correct option is option number B, which is ROM. Next question, and this is the last questions too. What role does the BIOS play in a computer system? You know the full form of BIOS, which is basic input output system. Correct, and the role of the BIOS is option number C, which is boots up the computer and initialize the hardware, and this is the role of the BIOS in your computer system. So these was all the questions. If you guys have enjoyed watching the videos, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and just hit the like button and share these videos in your class group and your friends too, so that your friends can score well Thank you so much guys for watching the videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.